How to permanently delete your Fiverr account. Hey guys, welcome back. So for whatever reason you might want to delete your Fiverr account, it's really simple and easy, and I'll show you guys exactly how. To do that, first thing you have to do is log on to Fiverr. Now, once you've logged onto your Fiverr account, you want to click on your profile on the top right. Once you click on your profile, you want to click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, you will see these will be the settings that have been opened up. Now, this is going to open up your account settings, and these are the settings you want to actually edit. So just go into account and then scroll down. Now, after that, you have account deactivation. This is how you delete your account. There's no direct way where you can directly delete your account. You just have to deactivate your account. You will see that your profile and gigs won't be shown on Fiverr, and then your active orders will be cancelled, and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs. However, Fiverr does give you the option to reactivate your initial account, so you can choose to reactivate your account. Now, after that, on the bottom, you have to add the reason why you're leaving. So click on this icon and a drop down will open, and you can choose the reason why you're leaving. So if you don't require Fiverr anymore, or you're not getting enough orders, or if it's something else, you can just click on something else. Then if you want to add a reason, you can add that and then click on deactivate account. Now, just like that, your Fiverr account will be closed, and you will see a toolbar on the top where it will be notifying you that your account has been closed. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.